Right, so we're around here at our next renovation project. This project is up on the hill. It's quite an extensive renovation. We're basically dismantling sort of 3/4 of the house, rebuilding it up to the new code, new cedar cladding. We've got some Hardy's cladding, a new deck around the front, new windows installed throughout, and reconfiguring the top floor a little bit. So we're starting this job next week. As you can see, some of our scaffolds come from our Omeo job to this job. So it's great to be able to use our own scaffold on these jobs and save the client a bit of money. The house has deteriorated quite a bit over time, so we're basically rebuilding this from the ground up, and it's going to be clad in the new cedar as well. So we're just upstairs inside here. Again, with the outside, all the framing's going here, along with the roof framing. The ceilings are going to follow the roof pitch up here and complete change of the layout. So it's going to be really cool to show you. So we're downstairs here in the sort of dining kitchen area. Again, most of this framing's going and being replaced. One of the challenges here, we've got to flip these big beams over. We've got to put a new steel post in here with new connections, because the owner wants to keep those beams as a feature of the house. As with most hill builds, we've got a bit of a challenge with our access here, with a shared driveway and not much storage space, but the boys are really looking forward to ripping into a quite challenging renovation.